bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.
Hi, I'm Uncle Frank. Wanted to tell you about some things in high school. Remember Riverview? Riverview was a God, what do you call it? The Ferris wheels and say what was it?
Kind of like a Disneyland.
Yeah, it was like a Disneyland, and I'm telling you, it was again magical. Everything was magical in my mind, you know. And it could be because my mind is always somewhere else, and we just had so much fun. Again, if you gave the guy 10 cents and you can go shoot the ducks and whatever. But it was terrific, and everybody was wonderful. It was really, really wonderful times. You know, we didn't know anything about. I grew up in 1936. We didn't know much about the war, you know, and we didn't get a television until 1948, and you can never see anything because the rabbit ears and so forth. But again, you know, progress was great. You know, progress was great, and. But just kept going, and again, life is good. Life is still good.
Hi, I'm your Uncle Frank. How did you get from here, Chicago to here, California, and then you can get into the dress business?
Hi, I'm Uncle Frank. I want to tell the story about I left Chicago in 1961. I thought I was Al Pacino, and I was learning how to be an actor, so I figured either I go to New York or California. So I decided to go to California, and it was so terrific. At those times in the early '60s, there were so many actors who came to California, and on Sundays we used to play baseball. We had teams. And I remember who played Jack Nicholson, Frankie Avalon, Don Rickles, Jimmy Caan. I mean, just so many actors. A lot of them made it big. Of course, most of them didn't. They went on to other things. But I did some movies. How do I? Oh yeah, I said I did the two pictures, one this way and one this way, but not really. So I did some television. So I was always interested in clothing, and I was a bartender at the Whiskey A Go Go in the early '60s, and I was there for 5 years, and I met all those wonderful groups, from the Doors to I mean there was tons of them, and the Motown people, and the Pointer Sisters, and Jimi Hendrix, and on and on and on. And Jimmy Webb would be at the bar making notes for songs that he was writing. And again, it was magical. The go-go dancers with Johnny Rivers, that started in the 60s. And so many people, so many stars who got to be very, very big. And it was terrific.
Bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.